Okay, checking the sound. Okay, checking. Okay, there seems to be sound, video, everything fine. Okay, let's see Bitcoin as usual. What happened yesterday? So we had this momentum green dot, and right now it seems that Bitcoin is recovering a little bit. Doesn't mean that it can dump again, but I think there is some recovery taking place, which is nice. I mean, I bought at 18 point something, 18.5 or 18.4. I bought most of the Bitcoin there, so I'm pretty content and satisfied of how I executed it yesterday and the day before. So from here now we have two alternatives. We may recover a little bit like there and then get rejected again, or if we reclaim this, I think we have to reclaim the 30k level. If we reclaim again the 30k, it will become interesting, and especially if we reclaim with a pump up and then try to validate as support again. If we get rejected from 23, 24, 25, I think it doesn't matter because Bitcoin might be going down even further. So we have to see. Nobody has a crystal ball. Even if some traders are saying we can go a lot further down, yes, this can happen, but they don't have a crystal ball. So Bitcoin might recover from here and it might be the bottom. Now this 4 hour, it seems a little bit exhausted, and the money flow is quite thick in the red, so we might get rejected here and continue down. This is certainly a possibility. So we have to see this 3 hour and especially the 1 hour. If we have a red dot here, yes, we have. We're still looking bearish, I would say. We have to see the 3 hour, how it's behaving. But the money flow is not rapidly going up. We have to watch out the money flow and for 3 hour red momentum dot here. So if we have this, watch out, we might dump again. On the 1 hour, let's see what we have here. 45 minutes. It's too late for me to place a short, I guess. Maybe I'll play some smaller time frames. But the 45 minute looks choppy, to be honest. A little bearish to choppy. We got rejected exactly from this resistance at 20.5. So we might start going down again. Right now we don't seem to be doing this. There might be some more strength in Bitcoin. But even if we go to 21k, we can get rejected like there, 21 something, we can still get rejected. 15 minutes. So money flow going down. I do want to wait for this wave to go down or to have some bullish signs. I definitely want to wait on this one because we might be going down. The 3 minutes, I wouldn't bet on it right now, to be honest. I want to see this 15-minute go down, and we're right now in the middle, getting a little bit supported by the Ichimoku cloud. Yeah, in the middle of the Bollinger, I mean, and it's not good to take a position maybe we can place a wonk, but you know, it's very probable that if we're getting rejected from this level, that we go down further, and momentum is still to the downside, so we can get a pretty rapid downside move. On the daily Ichimoku, we're not doing anything. We are rolling over. I mean, not rolling over. We are consolidating here a little bit. So we kissed this outside of the lower Bollinger, and now we are recovering a little bit, although we can continue down further. I mean, the trend is clearly bearish here, so don't trade until maybe we have clear sign that this is bottomed. For me, this doesn't look like a bottom right now. We have two daily candles, one next to each other. It just doesn't seem like a bottom to me. I may be wrong, of course, but this is not a bottom. Sorry, guys and girls. So CVD is high, so we might dump indeed. We might go down. Now we're just dancing with the pivot here. Nothing much interesting. Okay, let me see the view up, open interest, liquidations. So we are below the view up here on the 4 hour. It doesn't look very bullish. We had some liquidations here, but overall we might go to the point of control again. If we go there, it's one step, just a little bit of pressure to go down even further. Maybe we go sideways for a few days. Who knows? Who knows, guys? But we have a new weekly candle, which is interesting, and I want to see the weekly candle here. Ooh, it's pretty bearish. It's pretty bearish. Weekly is pretty bearish. Okay, so we had this divergence in this indicator in the volume delta, and it played out. Now what we're looking is, I had drawn some channel yesterday. Let's see the daily. In the meantime, while this chart is holding, I think it bucked. It's not holding. Daily. Yeah, so I have this channel, and wow, we have some divergence here and bullish divergence here. If we continue up, yeah, we have some very nice bullish divergence. But I drawn this channel, and you know, this channel is exactly how the trend is playing to the downside, and well, this channel is at 20k 12 sorry, not 20, 12k not 20, 12. So this doesn't look very bullish, but it might be the last bottom, this 12k. We'll see. We definitely maybe if I draw another channel, but it would be even steeper. I'm looking for a channel that is on the daily, yeah, from this 68k it looks very nice, to be honest. We we haven't kissed it here at 19k, which I think suggests that we might final dump to 12-13k. So have this in mind. I'm having this in mind. That's why I have some more fuel, have more gold to sell. If we go to 12k, I will buy Bitcoin. It would be a really nice deal if it goes to 12k. Now this indicator is showing us that we already bottomed 14th of June, like 14th of June, and interest is falling, which means that we should be consolidating. So I think yeah, this shows that we have bottomed. Very interesting. Let's see the options. There is not much volume today. Maybe it's because markets are closed today. Stock market is closed. We have a little bit more puts than calls, which is yeah, which has been the trend in this down move. We have huge gap here, so I'm wondering what will happen. This week we have Friday expiration. Open interest, you can see that we have sizable, really, volume and open interest, sizable expiration, and maybe the market makers can push the price up to the max pain, because if they push it to the max pain, they will be making money and they will wreck the retailers, small fishes. So that's very probable. Gex is going. Gex is resetting. So it's 30k right now. It was about 50-60k. Well, this might signal another move down. If the Gex is resetting, we might be having another dump. We'll see. But for me, I think the most probable scenario right now is that we go sideways a little bit, or we have like very sudden, very news-driven sudden dump, quick dump, and then we recover. But I think more likely is to go sideways a little bit some days, even up to meet this max pain. Well, this gap really closed. There's no gap right now, so this is strange. This gap closed very soon. I expected to have bigger gap. Well, this is from me, guys and girls. I'll make another video most probably tomorrow, but yeah, today I think it would be boring, a little bit boring, going sideways. Right now I don't want to take a position in the middle here. Maybe if we go to the water band, it would be tricky long. If it goes here, I will short with more conviction. And that's it from my side. If you're not convinced, or if you don't feel, just don't trade. Okay, just don't trade. If you don't lose money. Because right now it's tricky. We can pump up and wreck any shorts. We can also dump. This doesn't look like a bottom to me. So be careful. Have a nice day.